What's up? It's your boy Jayworking. I'm at St. Louis. Anyway, this is the time where we kind of wrap up the semester. Some days I got 5 kids, 6 kids, like yesterday, and then I come back today, I got 2. Guys gotta remember, this is not regular school with attendance, tardies, grades. You know, it's after school. It's not like in a classroom setting where we close the door and we not no distractions like in school. Let's just say this is English class. It's the lunch lady not sticking her head in the classroom talking about, it's hot lunches in here, come and get these sandwiches. Like, this is the type of stuff that goes on when you're teaching after school. People's mother coming and pick their kids up. Like, I understand, like, mom's got something to do. As soon as the kids sit down, touch the mouse, 2 clicks, click, click, your mom is here. Y'all better step y'all game up and start asking for the right stuff here. Cause you know what, the homework ain't done. You don't know, bro, you act like you're a businessman and don't know how to work your hand with your mother, of all people. She should be eating out your hand. Like, let me get this boy this stuff. Let me see, look. What's going on, bro? Is it when you ask for something, the first thing, you didn't do this? Exactly. This is the thing. If she do everything you want and you don't do what you're supposed to do, you ain't gonna never do it. A hater is a teacher that don't like you. She don't like your attitude. So she's gonna give you a C instead of giving you a B because she don't like you. You gotta take your emotions out of it and look at it as a game. It's all strategic, it's all moves. It's all thinking ahead of the game. It's thinking on a macro level, not a micro level. You may not like the teacher, you may not like the class, but she don't need to know that. You gotta learn how to play the game. They gonna hate and stand in the way. Cause you gotta look at that iMac, that's only $150. Where's the other crew at? I need them to do are you serious?
Chess is trash compared to graphic design.
Look, man, y'all be playing too much.
It said Jayworking and he erased it.
Exactly. I named all my stuff. That looked like my style. Crush. That looked like a dopeness. Y'all need to raise y'all level up, man. You on punishment? You on punishment?
No.
You on punishment?
No.
Good. This guy stay on punishment. This guy stay on punishment for the craziest stuff.
Yep, this time it was.
He slapped a handicapped kid.
What?
And